I got in the truck the other day, and thank you to you who donated on my PayPal tip jar. You know who you are. You gave me a $40 tip, and I was able to buy me a door handle and fix my door. I got in my truck the other day when it was really frozen and icy, and I shut the door and I didn't think my window was still rolled up. Well, I couldn't get back out of the truck till my window heated up enough to roll down and I could reach the outside door handle. So there we go. I have a fixed door. Thank you for your PayPal tip jar donation. You're awesome. So I did a cleanup yesterday around the house, and I really didn't record much, and it dawned on me by the time I got too tired to do any more that I hadn't recorded very much. So I apologize for that, but I've got a mix mash of all kinds of stuff on my trailer, and I've got some ACRs on my truck, and ACAs, and I got some radiator cores off of vehicles. So I've got a dryer that I picked up at a house in Summertown, and I've got a big deli cooler I picked up at a church that I couldn't film at in Hohenwald. And goodness, I don't know, I got all kinds of stuff on the truck. Some old Mustang bucket seats. Not old, well, they're old, but they're not antique old. And just a bunch of other stuff that I decided I need to get it cleared out. It's looking pretty piled up behind my building, and I want to do some organizing in the next few months. And I'm going to have pallets behind my building, and I'm going to have a pallet designated for each type of metal, and I'm going to cut it where it'll fit on the pallet or in barrels or buckets, where I can kind of keep it non-clutter looking as much as possible. But anyway, I'm headed to the scrap yard this morning early, get this unloaded. I've got a couple other jobs that I need to do with my trailer, so come along with me this morning. Let's see what it weighs and what it pays, as Mr. Scrappity says. Alrighty then, see you later. Hello. You want this out, or you want to let him have it? That's what I was thinking. Hey, this is aluminum. You want it? Just let him have it. It's aluminum on both sides, but it's aluminum, but it's got plastic. You want to pull out the side? That's the same way. It's got an it's an old sign. That's aluminum there. I'll keep that piece. That's cast aluminum. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. Have a good one. Let's weigh up and see what that light load weighed, because it wasn't very heavy. And I've got to do a trailer cleanup today and get all the glass off of it. I'll be back. All right, folks, I weighed and I got paid. Looks like I have more weight than I thought. 1,864 pounds for a whopping steel shred total of 136.59. I had ACRs, which were small ones. They didn't weigh a lot. I had one that was 18 pounds for $18. And then I had another smaller one that I forgot for 2 pounds for $2. And I have insulated copper wire number 2, 14 pounds for $5.60. Insulated copper wire number 1, 18 pounds for $14.40. I had some number 2 copper piping for $19.50. I had aluminum radiators, 20 pounds for $6. And I had an aluminum wheel, 14 pounds, that brought $7.70 for a grand total of $210.19 for this run, for my little cleanup I did out back. So not bad. I need to get some more jobs going though. Thank y'all for watching. Good morning. I am attempting to replace my broken handle. It broke off. These Chevrolets and GMCs are bad about that. With the design of the handle, they use cast aluminum, and after a while of use, it just gives out. So I am going to attempt to replace this handle. I'm gonna have a window crank puller. Guess I'm gonna have to go buy one of them because I don't have one of them. I used to have one of them, but not anymore. So anyway, let me gather up all the tools and hopefully I'll be back if I feel like it, and we'll change this out. So I'm back with the China-made window crank removal tool. It's been a while since I've done this, so let me see if I can actually pull this off. Nope, I got between the wrong piece there. Oh, there we go. Look at there, how simple that was. Man, that was great. I love that tool. Pulled it right off. This comes off. All right, right. Now I gotta pop this door panel. What am I gonna use to pop this door panel, folks? I don't really remember how these things are mounted. Okay, I got it right. I was afraid I was going to break it. And this should come off. There it is. Oh, that didn't sound good. Wow. Okay, how do I get this off? I would think it would just pull straight up. Kind of like that. There we go. Bingo. I got one clip that broke off. Two clips that come off. See if I can get them back in there. Oh yeah, it won't be too bad. Let's see. One of them goes here. This one, he can go right here on the bottom. That one completely broke off. This one's okay. Shoot. See if I can find one more. Oh, there it is. They went flying. And it would go right here to help hold it. There we go. Now I just got to replace this mechanism here, the door handle. Looks like it's only held in with just one screw. I don't remember how this comes off. If I remember right, this pulls down, out. There we go. Got it. All right. Be right back. All right. I gotta find me a screwdriver. Need a flathead screwdriver. Pop it off with this old pair of wire cutters. I got my new handle hooked on the lock. I just got to get this old piece out here. Whoops, it went down in the door, but that's no big deal. No big deal at all, I don't think. No. There it goes. All right, slide it in, slide it over, and my door is officially fixed. Now I just got to put it back together. Started antibiotics again. I started getting sick again, so man, that stuff that's going around is hard to get rid of. That's the old broke handle. This cast aluminum. Well, you can't even see it. It's gone. It fell down in the door. Never mind. But anyway, here's the outer part of it that didn't fall in the door. It's cast aluminum and it always breaks right there. It's a pretty heavy piece of cast aluminum. Why don't you just make it out of metal? I don't get it, but alas, I'll get off that soapbox. So now I just gotta put my panel back on, get everything to pop in. That's always fun. Goes down on here first. That may be a little entertaining. It's got the hook in that lip. May need to roll my window down. No. That didn't sound good. Oh, that pin broke. Whoop, my light fell out. Poor old truck. It's having a rough day today. There we go. I don't know. Why ain't it? Oh, well, move this one up here because it's breaking. Oh, that one's broke too. My inserts broke. Seriously? I'm gonna have to get new inserts that these go in because they're breaking. Oh well. It's on there. Door handle's fixed. That matters to me. Put the window crank back on. Oh, I'm missing a piece here. It's a piece of trim that goes on. I don't remember taking it off. There it is. I took it off the other day. I'm like, what in the world? Now. Now the windows roll down and the door opens. Put this piece of trim back on. That don't exactly fit like it should. Oh well. Why is that up higher? Oh, that was supposed to go in first. Let's see if I can get that back out. Using this tool like I did a while ago. Yep, I'm fumble fingers now. Come on. Well. There we go. Now I need to put this on. It's falling apart too. Let's see here. There we go. One door handle replaced. I got in the truck the other day And thank you to you who donated on my PayPal tip jar. You know who you are. You gave me a $40 tip, and I was able to buy me a door handle and fix my door. I got in my truck the other day when it was really frozen and icy, and I shut the door and I didn't think my window was still rolled up. Well, I couldn't get back out of the truck till my window heated up enough to roll down and I could reach the outside door handle. So there we go. I have a fixed door. Thank you for your PayPal tip jar donation. You're awesome. And I have heat thanks to a $50 PayPal tip jar donation. So you guys are great. I really appreciate y'all. It helps me be able to continue to scrap and stay warm and be able to get in and out of my truck easily when I'm doing it. So God bless y'all. Good morning. It's Saturday morning, and yesterday I didn't film. I don't know if y'all have days where you don't feel like filming, but I just didn't feel like filming. I picked up this dryer, 2 dishwashers, and a stove, and I'm headed to Columbia to pick up a couple items, and at a house. And then I'm coming back, supposed to be in the mid-60s today here. So I'm coming back to hopefully do a little cleaning. Coming back to enjoy the weather, mainly. So I know you guys up in the Midwest are ready for some decent weather with the temperatures y'all are having. That's crazy. Crazy weather. I would never survive in the Midwest. I guess it's all in what you get used to. But I think my rheumatoid arthritis would get the best of me in that kind of cold temperature. Seems like. Well, let's ride and pick up another appliance or two, or I'm not sure what all they have for me up there, but I'll check in later. All right, folks. Well, today turned out to be one of them days where people just wasn't comfortable with me filming. The problem is I had people around me the entire time I was loading this stuff, and to respect their privacy, I didn't record. But I've got 3 dishwashers, a cooking stove, 2 dryers, a washing machine, a freezer, and a giant dryer. I think it may be a washing machine. It's hard to tell with these new ones. And I got some trampoline frame and miscellaneous metal. And I got a bunch more stuff to go back and get. I've got a job at this one house I was at. I've got to cut up this frame, so I'll take you guys along with me while I'm going through the process of, that's a dryer, of cutting up that mobile home frame that burnt down. I've got a car to get rid of. Of course, I got all my miscellaneous scrap here that needs to go. We'll go ahead, and I got TVs I got to pull the copper out of. And man, it's beautiful here. It's in the mid 60s today here in southern Middle Tennessee. And guys, you guys that are up in the northern part of the country, I feel for y'all, and hope and pray that the weather breaks where it isn't as tough on you as it has been, because it takes a lot to deal with that type of weather. So anyway, I'm gonna load this water heater up, and that's gonna be my load that I'm gonna take off Monday morning. I've got a car to pick up possibly Monday when it's not raining as bad, and haul off for a guy. And then I've got some jobs lined up that I've just got to make time to get to. They're not convenient run and pick up an item and leave. They're going to be an all-day job. And I'm trying to wait till I know I have the physical strength to do a job like that. So anyhow, I'm going to load this up and go in and check on my wife. She's not feeling good. Do a little house chores, and you know the drill. I may come back out here and do a little work later. But I've got to study for tomorrow for my class. I've got to study some more for my class at church that I teach, my adult class. So I'm still not comfortable with the text, so I got to put some more time in on that. But anyway, that's it for right now. Let me get this thing loaded up. That was easy. Easy peasy. I got some old circuit boards here. These are just old power boards. Not real sure. Do y'all see anything on there that's worth depopulating and saving? Oh, there's some chips. There's a little chip. I don't know. These must be out of TVs. I don't know. I got all these in a pickup I made. There's a Sanyo, so these are all boards out of TVs. Interesting. Now that one looks pretty good. I see some gold there and there, and all these chips can be removed, these flat packs. What is that, a VGA chip right here, guys? You tell me. I got a whole bucket full of boards. Yep, I need to get some stuff done with that. First thing I need to get done is knock a hole in the bucket. Oh, look at that. There's some more of them big Panasonic. Would be nice if all that yellow looking stuff was gold. Moose scrapper, you tell me. Canadian treasure hunter. Backyard scrapping, I don't have a clue, but I do see some stuff that looks kind of resemble a gold tone out here. Wished all that yellow was gold, but I know it's not. But if I'm wrong, let me know so I can get excited about it. But I do need to go through that. I got that aluminum sign. I've got to figure out what I'm gonna do with it. I hadn't figured that out yet. It's got to go. I believe it hit 70 degrees today because it's hot. Feels good. All right, folks, that's it for now. I'm gonna go in the house and see how things are going there. Talk at you later. So I just got home and got changed. I was chilling out and I got a message that somebody had a stove and trash compactor for me. So I'm gonna run across town. It ain't far away, just across town, and pick it up, and that will finish my truck out completely with a load of scrap for Monday morning. Now, starting out this morning, I didn't have a load. I knew I was going after one thing, and I knew I didn't have enough for a load, and I didn't know when I was going to get another load. But God works in mysterious ways. I met one person, and then it just like was a chain reaction, and I had 3 other stops, and I even went to a stop that I'm looking at doing a job on, and I was able to pick up enough scrap appliances to fill my trailer full. So that's great how that works out like that. And I'm gonna go over here and load this up, and now I've got a full load to drive to Alabama. Boy, that sun's bright. And I won't be stressed about not having a big enough load, because I like to haul a pretty heavy load when I go. This won't be near as heavy as some of them, but hey, it's better than what it could have been today. Anyway, I'll check back in. All right. Hey, puppy. How you doing, puppy? Hey, puppy. You're doing a good job. Hey, buddy. You're like, no way, Jose. You're like, no way, Jose. Can I get your stove? Can I get your stove? Huh? Come here. Come on. Can I come see you? You are so pretty. You're pretty. Come on. Oh, goodness, girl, you peeing. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to tear you up. You so sweet. You be good. All right. Let me cut this cord here. Just met a nice gentleman that wants me to come pick up his old riding mower after I get this trailer unloaded. Sure is a beautiful day. I sure hope you guys warm up north. I feel for y'all. This is an awesome day, and tomorrow is too, and then next week it's supposed to be storms and rain all week. I have never picked up a trash compactor. Never have. Let me grab my wire cutters. Cut that cord before I shut the tailgate. Tailgate slides too much. Still don't want to go. All right, cord life. I ain't got dirty. That's okay. I'll get dirty for metal anytime. All right, folks. Well, that's that pickup. Oh, goodness. It's time to head back to the house.